Alright, now we're going to look at how you will enter assignments. That's going to be the next major thing that you'll be doing, the next basic thing. So you log into your page here, you log into Schoology and go up here to Courses. Click on Courses, pull down to one of your classes. I'm going to do this elementary test class, okay, and it will look like this. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do it. One way is go to your gradebook. Over here on the left, it's all gradebook. Down here's where you set up your grades. And your gradebook will look like this. Now when you pull yours up, there will be students listed down here. As soon as we have students entered into the system, you'll see them over here. But you can still add assignments even if you don't have any students yet. So to add an assignment, go up here to this menu right here. Pull it down. You'll see it says Add Assignment, Add Test Quiz, Add Discussion, Add Grade Column. What you'll want to do is do Add Assignment. That's kind of going to be the generic thing that you will do. I'll just mention to you, adding a test or a quiz is where you actually construct a test or a quiz that they will take online, where you enter the questions and that type of thing. A discussion is where they will be able to enter discussions back and forth. Adding a grade column is not very helpful, so I would just ignore that. Add assignment is what you want to do. After you click that, you'll see something like this. So let's say that this is going to be a handwriting test. Just type that in here. You can put a description in as you want, where you could say, okay, write the letters Aleph through Zion in Hebrew, okay, if that's your handwriting assignment. Okay, you give it a due date. Okay, so when is it going to be due? And so we will say this is going to be due on June 26th. Okay, it's worth 100 points. Select the category it's in. Okay, you have set up categories before, so we'll say that this is a test. And then the scale or rubric, in this case we're going to say this is standard. Okay, your choices are going to be either standard or kindergarten. You can have grading options. Okay, if you do, then it will show up here with different grading periods. You can have a factor, that is if you want to make this worth double other tests or something like that. Down here across the bottom, submissions are enabled. It's visible to students. They can make comments, and so then you can create it. Okay, you create it, and here it is right over here. Okay, so you have over here, you've just created an assignment. Now when your students log into the class, they will see, there will be a little notification up here that will tell them that you've added an assignment. But that is basically how you add assignments. That's just kind of the basic thing you can do. There's a lot more you can do in Schoology, and there will be other videos that explain more advanced things. But if that's all you do, where you can then add grades, you'll be doing that. In another video, I'll show you how to add grades.